Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to set up Calendly account with your Zoom account. So what you need to do is simply click on the integrations option here, and as you can see you are seeing an interface like this where it will show you many types of integration. You can see a number of integration that are available here. We just need to scroll down, and we need to keep scrolling down until we see an option called Zoom. It will be in the most bottom part of the page. So there you go. So just click on Zoom, and as you can see it is telling us that there are two requirements there, that we need a Zoom account, and second is that your Zoom account administrator must pre-approve Calendly in the Zoom marketplace. Alright, so we'll click on connect Zoom. Okay, so now you'll be redirected to the Zoom website. So just put your email address and password here, or you can just continue with your Google, Facebook or Apple account. I'm just going to click on Google account here. Many people have a Google account, so it's much easier. Just simply select your account that you are already logged in with, and I'm just going to put my birth year here. Alright, so simply click on continue. Now if you are an educator, simply click on that option. I'm just going to simply click on create account. Just wait for some seconds. And there you go. Our Calendly account has been successfully integrated with the Zoom account. So I'm going to show you by again going to the Zoom account here. Alright, I'm going to click on connect Zoom. Alright, now here's the important part. I forgot it. Click on allow this app to use my share access permission. Click on allow. And now we have successfully connected our Zoom account with our Calendly account. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a wonderful day.